Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fantasy novel characters using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva and we need to go to the Canva AI right here. Okay, and then I'm going to create a fantasy novel character using AI. Okay, and we can scroll down to see what we can do with AI. And I'm going to choose this one, a character for a fantasy novel. I'm going to click this option and then let me describe the image I want to create. Alright, and then I'm going to click on this icon to submit. Okay, and the AI will create a fantasy novel character for us. Okay, and let me check it. Okay, that's so beautiful. Okay, there will be 4 images for us. And I'm going to choose this one. Let me download this image. Okay, and we can download it for free, guys. Wow, this feature is very cool. You can create any character that you want. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a fantasy novel character in Canva. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.